Good morning, friends. Another important cause of concern these days is earache. Now, because of the winters, the temperature outside is quite low, and we try to keep ourselves warmer by using the heaters inside. This temperature difference may lead to URIs, and URI, that is the upper respiratory infection, may in turn lead to ear pain. Ear pain can happen to anyone at any age, but usually the younger age group children, they are more prone to get acute otitis media, thereby leading to earaches. So what all can be done to prevent this earache? As we know that the nose and the ear is connected together via the eustachian tube. So any infection or any kind of pathology taking place in the nose can lead to ear pain. So we need to take very good care of our nose and our upper respiratory system so that we do not get any kind of ear pain. So keeping your ears covered with the help of the ear muffs or hats really makes a lot of difference. Another important thing is try taking a lot of water. Do not get yourself dehydrated. Keep yourself well hydrated so that the sinuses remain moist, and thereby the moist sinuses will be very helpful to keep your ears also, moist, and it will not lead to the infection and pain in the ear. If in case you have any kind of sinus infection, take the treatment promptly. Try keeping your external auditory canal also moist by using the air humidifiers in the room so that it keeps your external auditory canal moist, and which can also be a cause to ear pains. Then any kind of upper respiratory infection, sinus infection should be taken care immediately. The ears should be cleaned so that there is no impacted wax, because impacted wax can also lead to earaches. Younger children should be taken good care of because earache is more common in them, and in spite of the fact if you've taken all the needed precautions and you get the pain is still not subsiding, then it's better to see your doctor as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Your friend, Dr. Seema Shah.